Hey guys, what's happening? All you see in front of you is my cables. Basically, this is my indicators. These are some really nice indicators. LED DRL in here. What's it called? The courtesy lights over here. Then it also has LED indicator in here and a ton of wires. I thought this was gonna be plug and play, but hey, I was wrong. So what we have over here, this is my tester. Okay, never put those two together. Right now it's off, that's why I did so. But basically I'm just going to go through and show you all the functions of this. I'm going to put this like this, and turn by turn I'm going to attach the wires so that you guys can see what does what. First of all, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the courtesy lights over here. So I'll just hook this up and then I'll show you. Okay then, so over here you can see the courtesy light. This turns on as soon as this gets power. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be routing this. I'm actually going to disconnect this. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this is going to be routed to the interior dome light. That's where we're going to wire this up to. So whenever any door opens in the car, that dome light turns on, and so do these lights turn on. Now let me show you the indicators. Okay then, so I have right now hooked up the indicator. This is how the indicator looks. You also have the light over here and that goes through in here, and that's how it looks. And now let me just show you the DRL. Just like that. That's the DRL, and yeah, it's nice and bright, everything like that. So now let me just disconnect this. There we go, that's all off of power. Let's turn this tester off, and as soon as that light disappears, it's off. 3, 2, 1. There we go. And so that's basically the functions of this. Just to run you through these wires for the courtesy light. This will be run through the car. I'll go downstairs and show you where it's going to be run through the car. And of course these lights, this is the DRL. I'm going to be routing this all the way to the back, and this will be turning on as soon as I turn on the DRLs from the stalk inside the car. This will be taking power from the back light, and this will also turn on. This is the indicator. This will be plugged in. This positive and this negative will be plugged into the pre-existing wiring for the indicators. Alrighty, and so first of all, for the indicators in regard to when I open the door, the lights come on. So to be able to do that, we're going to need to run the wires from here down through in there. Okay, it's going to come through the door, through this, in through here, all the way up here, all the way through the roof. And if I come around this way, it's going to come through the whole roof, and then it's going to come all the way down here, outside here, and it's going to connect to this. In the dome light in the middle, we're going to connect it in. Let me show you. Alright then, so we have an issue. I've taken out the dome light. However, you can see there's 3 wires over here. There's a red one, a white and black one, and a green one. Now I'm not sure about this. I've looked a ton online, and this car, I cannot find much. So if you guys know how I can tap into this in such a way that whenever the door opens, meaning this light, whenever it turns on, that I can get power to the lights, to the new indicators for the courtesy lamp feature. If you guys know how I can do that, please let me know in the comments, and I will make an updated video. For now, we're just going to wire the lamp into the DRL and the turn signal. So inshallah we'll get that done. And so yeah, I actually came out to show you the 30 meter, how the wire, I cut that wall and everything. I was literally about to route it. You can see over there I've opened some stuff as well to get these door cards off and everything like that. But then as soon as I took this off, yeah, I got very confused, so I stayed here for a while. So yeah, in regard to the DRL, what we're going to do is we're going to take a wire, route it all the way down here to the back and to the headlight. Sorry, to the tail light. So yeah, anyways, I'll keep you updated. Alright then, so we're going to start to dismantle the vehicle. I've already taken this off. This is all plug and play, these connectors. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to now take this whole mirror assembly off from inside, and then I'll take off the door card as well, and then I'll get to you. Alright then, so I have an update. Everything over here is out. I'm just going to show you from here. That's the door card. And yeah man, we're getting there, subhanallah. I'm going very slowly because, you know, it's my first time and I don't want to ruin my car. But alhamdulillah yaar, Allah ka shukr hai. Alright then guys, so I have a little update. So this is the mirror. At the end I've put this zip tie and everything to put past this through that small hole. So let's get to it. Alright guys, since I want to do a proper job, I'm going to be using these connectors I ordered from Daraz, 180 rupees for like 2 I believe. I have the indicator right now on. This is the wires. It's very testing, very bare form. I plugged in, but Allah ka shukr hai. Subhanallah, look, it's working. MashaAllah. So now let's properly, disconnect all this and then wire it properly. Bismillah. Alright guys, I have an update. All these connections all done. I had to cut this over here, unfortunately, from the original stuff. There's the original wiring from the car. I was going to tap splice it, but these wires are so small it wouldn't have worked. So I cut it and then just put some electrical tape on it and then some, heat shrink. Do let me know if this is fine. And I just wedged the wires in between and then heat shrunk them. So do let me know if that's okay. Now we just need to run the blue wire from the parking lights so that whenever these are on, the side mirrors can turn on. So let's do that now. Bismillah. Alright then, so through here you can see I have the blue wire. I routed it through here, all under the seats, everything straight ahead. And through here, we're going to pull this through. Look, you can see it coming. And then we're now going to put this through the door and then wire it in. Alrighty then guys, today we're going to be working on the right side mirror, driver side mirror. Last time you would have remembered we did that side's mirror, and alhamdulillah the wiring is all good. Still I haven't been able to get around to the wiring for the DRL, but we will be doing that inshallah in this video. And also the dome lighting, connecting these mirrors with the dome light. I did a lot of research and I found out how to do it, so inshallah that'll be done. And also today I'll be walking you through properly. I have the fan on because it's very hot outside, so I hope the audio is clear and decent. With that being said, I have all my tools over here. I'm going to put you guys in a tripod, then let's get outside. Okay, so first of all what I did, I put the mirror all the way up. There's 2 tabs over here. I wedged the screwdriver in there, I twisted it a bit, the tabs came out, and then the mirror came out. You can see on the back of the mirror, this is how it looks. That's the clipping tabs, that's the upper tab that go into the top holes over here. In regard to the shell, it's much easier on that side. I took that side off first to see how it looks, and then I attempted it on this side, and as you can see the shell is off. It clips in to these places 1, 2, 3 and 4 and then 5. Now just to take the indicator off, this is also held on by 2 clips over here. There we go. And now we're just going to disconnect the connector over here. It's just a plug and play connector. You hold this and then you pull. Give me a second. There we go. And that's the connector off. And this is now our side mirror, our previous side mirror, the plug and play one, free. Just take this cover off. It's quite simple over here. And there we go, the cover is off. We're going to put this on the seat and then I'll get my tools. Alright then, so 2 of the screws that we need are down here. Now those of course are not accessible, so to access them we need to get this whole door card off. Having put that aside, now we have our main area of what we're going to be working with. First of all, what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be removing these screws, partially, not fully. Alrighty then, so I have my screw, I have my tool, and we're going to put this up here. I'm going to untwist the top one a little bit, and the rest I'm going to untwist fully. Alright then, so I have gotten the bottom cover off. As you can see over here, there's no bottom cover off, and no bottom cover. So what I basically needed to do that for is I'm going to feed the wires for the mirror, for the new indicator through here. So I need to pull them from here. So that's why I needed to remove the bottom cover. And as you can see, there's not much space through here, but inshallah we will get the wires through it. And you can see it's very loose, but because the top bolt is on, it's not that loose. I'll actually show you the new mirror. Sorry, I keep on saying mirror, but it's actually just an indicator. There's our indicator, that's our wiring harness over there. You can see we're going to be using that to wire this all up. So yeah, this is the indicator that's going to fit in here. So yeah, I will get this fitted in and then I will proceed further. Alright guys, a short update. Basically I've fed all the wiring through, the indicator is working, alhamdulillah. This is the new wiring harness for the indicator that I wired all myself. You can see these cutoff wires, these are extra. On this side we have this wire is ground for the dome light. This is positive from the dome light, and this one is that's empty. This one is for the DRL. You can see that wire, I've put it through here, but the problem is I have been trying so hard. I spent like at least half an hour on this, and this thing will not, this blue wire will not go through this and into here. There's already so many wires in here. I'm honestly very puzzled right now. I don't know what to do. This wire has all been laid throughout the car. Right now that piece is open, but it's all been laid through. You can see it over here at the bottom, at the back. So this is the wire. Honestly, I'm very worried right now. Not worried as in like just sad because I wasn't able to get it through. So I'm not sure what I now do. I'll do some more research, and then I'll go to the dome light. To access that, I need to take this off, and this isn't normal plastic like the one that you can push open. There's plastic which you need bolts to open and everything. So I'm not really about that right now. Alright then, so I believe I did not give enough closure in the last few clips in regard to the mirrors. That's mainly because I plan to film more in regard to hooking these up with the DRLs and with the floodlight over here, this courtesy lamp. However, that was not possible. I plan to do that in a different video. I just wanted to show you that okay, we'll ignore the hyper flashing, but hey, indicators are working, and that's basically what I was doing before as well. So yeah, the indicator works, and if we just turn everything off right now, put the window up. Oh yeah, see, this car has so many issues. Turn the lights off, turn everything off, and now when I lock it, basically you can see it's a very bright indicator, and I'm very satisfied with it. Just a bummer that I couldn't wire the rest of these things up, but inshallah I will be doing that in a video soon. But yeah, with that being said, thank you for watching. If you made it till here, comment down below, meow, and yeah, peace be upon you all. Take care.